Hey guys, Perry Details Retail. We had to do a little work on the wood splitter. Okay, we have a Brave wood splitter. What was happening here is that the ears were bending out. So we had to gusset this side, we put a gusset there, put a gusset there. We gusseted the whole side. If you guys can see this. All right, so it's gusseted there. Then we had, because our hole is getting a little too sloppy, we had to put a little shim in there to try to get this thing not to flop around so much. Okay, all right, next thing we had to do, well, this part had broke off, so I put a bigger piece in there. All right, then I had to re-weld it. I welded in this anvil and ground it flat again because it was just getting to be straight. So we did that. I had to put a new hose on it, guys. So yeah, so we put a new hose there. It's a 1/2 inch by 24 hose, if anybody needs to know that. We put stickers on it, we painted it. So it looks pretty good. Did the wheels, painted the wheels again. So she looks like a pretty good unit again. She was getting pretty rough looking. So there we go, guys. Yeah, I haven't been doing much recording because I've been really involved in the Ukraine and Russia thing, and that just sucks me in there. I'm too busy watching than making videos. So that's what's been happening. Okay guys, just a little something that I've just gotten done in the last, this is probably about the last 3 months it took me to do this. So we have not been working too hard. All right, so there we go. If you have any questions on how I did that, or you need to know anything about it, leave it in the comment box. Like, subscribe, do the normal thing. Have a great day. This is just a short one, guys. All right, see you in the next one.